Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 4th in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your maths teacher. So now we will start lesson number 5, factors and multiplies. So today's our topic is common factors. But before starting our today's topic, first we will see what you had learned in last classes. So what you had learned in the last classes? First multiplies, then property of multiplies. How many property of multiplies? 5 property of multiplies. Then odd and even number. What is the odd number and what is the even number? A number which is multiply of 2 is called even number, and a number which is not multiply of 2 is called odd number. Now next is the factors. What is the factors? A factor of a number divide a number without leaving a रिमाइंडर. ओके, फैक्टर किसको बोलते हैं? जिसका रिमाइंडर क्या रहता है? जीरो रहता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं फैक्टर्स. देन आफ्टर फैक्टर ट्री, दिस इज द फैक्टर ट्री डायग्राम. नेक्स्ट you had learned about the prime number and composite number. So what is the prime number and what is the composite number? A number which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself are called prime number. Prime number हम किसको बोलते हैं? जिस नंबर के 2 factors रहते हैं. कौन से 2? 1 and that itself number. For example 11. 11 have only 2 factors, 1 and itself number. Then next is the composite number. A number which have a more than 2 factor are called composite number. The number which have more than 2 factor. जिस नंबर के फैक्टर क्या है? 2 से ज़्यादा है, उसको हम बोलते हैं composite number. So for example 12 is the composite number because 12 have a more factor. Then property of factors. How many property of factor? 4 property of factors. So now we will start our today's topic, common factors. But before starting our topic, first I will show you one video about the common factors.
Today, let us learn about the highest common factor, also called HCF. We have already studied factors. Now, let us understand the meaning of the term common factor. If two or more numbers have the same numbers as their factors, those factors are called common factors. Now let us see what do we mean by the highest common factor. To understand it in a better way, let us solve an example. Find the HCF of 15 and 25. We will follow a 3-step process to find the highest common factor. Step 1. Find all the factors of the given numbers. Here, the pairs of factors of number 15 are 1 into 15 is equal to 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Thus, the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next are the pairs of factors of the number 25. 1 into 25 is equal to 25. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Thus, the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Step 2. Identify the common factors of the given numbers. Here, the common factors of numbers 15 and 25 are 1, 5. Step 3. The largest of the common factors is the HCF of the given numbers. Here, the largest of the common factors is 5. Thus, the highest common factor is 5. Hence, we define the highest common factor as the largest common factor that two or more numbers have. Now, let us solve one more.
I hope all of you nicely understood about the common factor and you like video. So we will start our lesson. Okay, so which is the topic today? Common factor. For that, here are one example. Find the common factors of 12 and 15. हमें किसका factors निकालना है? 12 and 15. Find the factors 12 and 50 and then list the common factors. Okay, common factors क्या है? हमें क्या करना है? उस नंबर को किस किस के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होता है. So 12 factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is the factors of 12. 12 के कौन से factors हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is the factors of 12. Now factors of 15. 15 के कौन से factors है? 1, 3, 5 and 15. कौन से factors है? 1, 3, 5 and 50. So this is the factors of 12 and this is the factors of 15. Now कॉमन फैक्टर मतलब दोनों नंबर में कौन से कॉमन नंबर है. सो इन 12 विच इज़ द कॉमन फैक्टर्स 12 एंड इन 15. सो 1 इज़ द कॉमन फैक्टर्स इन 12 एंड 15. 1 क्या दिख रहा है? 12 यहाँ पे भी दिख रहा है, 12 में भी दिख रहा है और 15 में भी दिख रहा है. देन नेक्स्ट इज द 2. सो 2 इज लुकिंग इन 15. नो, सो 2 इज नॉट अ कॉमन फैक्टर्स. नाउ 3 इज कॉमन फैक्टर क्योंकि 3 और 12 और 15 में है. देन नेक्स्ट 4 आल्सो नॉट कॉमन फैक्टर. देन 6 आल्सो नॉट लुकिंग इन 15 फैक्टर. देन 12 आल्सो नॉट फैक्टर्स कॉमन फैक्टर्स. देन 15 आल्सो नॉट कॉमन फैक्टर्स. सो विच इज द कॉमन फैक्टर्स? 1 and 3. So common factor of 12 and 15 is 1 and 3. कौन से कॉमन फैक्टर्स है? 1 and 3. 1 is the common factors of any 2 or more number. 1 क्या होता है? हर एक नंबर में कॉमन फैक्टर होता है क्योंकि 1 क्या है? सभी नंबर का फैक्टर्स है. नाउ हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर उसको क्या बोलते हैं? HCF. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? HCF. What is mean by highest? Highest mean high. Consider the two number 4 and 6. कौन सा नंबर लिया है? 4 and 6. The factors of 4 are. 4 के फैक्टर कौन से होंगे? 1, 2 and 4. कौन से कॉमन 4 के फैक्टर्स है? 1, 2 and 4. द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 के कौन से फैक्टर्स है? 1, 2, 3 एंड 6. कौन से कॉमन फैक्टर्स है? 1, 2, 3 एंड 6. नाउ विच इज द कॉमन फैक्टर्स इन 4 and 6? 1 is the common factors and 2 also common factor. The common factors of 4 and 6 is 1, 2. कौन से दो फैक्टर्स है? 1 and 2. Now we want a highest common factor. highest मतलब सबसे बड़ा common factor क्या है? The highest common factors of 4 and 6 is the 2. 2 क्या है? सबसे highest factors है किसमें? 4 and 6 में. Now look at here. Highest common factor is normally written as HCF. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? HCF. इट इज़ आल्सो कॉल्ड एज ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. इसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. और उसको क्या लिखते हैं? GCD. सॉरी, ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइडर. GCD. और क्या बोलते हैं उसको? हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर मीन GCF. नाउ लेट्स एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. फाइंड द HCF ऑफ द 8, 12 एंड 16. कौन से 3 नंबर है? 8, 12 एंड 16. नाउ वी विल टेक आउट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 8. 8 के कौन से फैक्टर्स है? 1, 2, 4 एंड 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. This is the factors of 8. Now the factors of 12. 12 के कौन से factors है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is the factors of 12. 12 के कौन से factors है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now the factors of 16. 16 के कौन से factors है? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. This is the factors of 16. Now we want the common factors in 3 numbers. अभी हमें तीनों में से कॉमन फैक्टर्स निकालना है. सो कौन से कॉमन फैक्टर्स है तीनों नंबर में? फर्स्ट, 1 इज लुकिंग इन 3 नंबर्स. यस, 1 दिख रहा है तीनों इसमें. यस, सो 1 इज प्रेजेंट इन 8, 12 and 16. Now 2 also looking in 8, 12 and 16 factors. Now 4 also looking in 3 factors. So 4 भी क्या है? कॉमन फैक्टर्स है. Now 8 only looking in 8 and 16. So ये क्या है? कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. Now 6 also not common factor. 12 also not common factors and 16 also not common factors. So which is the common factors? 1, 2 and 4. This is the common factor. So what is the HCF? HCF of 8, 12 and 16 is 4. Highest common factor हमारा क्या है? 4 है. Now look at in example number 3. Find the HCF of 6 and 18. हमें क्या करना है? 6 और 18 का फैक्टर्स निकालना है. सो द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 आर 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6 के फैक्टर कौन से हैं? 1, 2, 3 and 6. द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 18. 18 के कौन से फैक्टर्स है? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. This is the factors of 18. Now what is the common in 6 and 18? Which is the common? 1 is common, 2 also common, 3 also common and 6 also common. 9 is not common. Okay. So what is the HCF of 8 and 16? The 8 and 16 HCF is 6. What is the highest common factor? Highest common factor is the 6. Now co-prime. What is the co-prime? Find the common factor 15 and 16. For that have an example which is number 15 and 16. So what is the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. क्या है 15 के factors? 1, 3, 5 and 15. And what is the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. This is the factors of 16. So 15 और 16 में क्या कॉमन है? 1 is common, 3 no, 5, no. 15 also not. Now 2 is also not here. 4 also not. 8 also not, and 16 also not. So in 15 and 16, which is the common factors? In 15 and 16, 1 is the common factor. Two number which is the 1 is common factor is called co-prime. कोई भी दो नंबर लिए और उस दोनों नंबर में से क्या कॉमन है? सिर्फ 1 नंबर ही कॉमन फैक्टर्स है, तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? को प्राइम नंबर. 15 एंड 16 आर को प्राइम. 15 और 16 क्या है? को प्राइम है. सो आर 5 एंड 7. Which is the common factors? 1 is the common factors in the 15 and 16. So this is the co-prime factor. I hope all of you nicely understood about the common factor, SCF and co-prime. Exercise 5.5 we will be take in the next period. Thank you and have a nice day.